Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Vishal and today, we're diving into one of the most popular topics out there, passive income. Now who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? But with so many options out there, it can be confusing to know where to start. That's why today, I'm going to break down the top 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas you can start in 2024. Let's get into it. A great way to start with passive income is through affiliate marketing. It's a method that allows you to earn money even while you sleep. If you're wondering what that is, it's simply recommending products or services to people and earning a commission when they make a purchase through your unique link. It's like being a middleman who connects buyers with sellers. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, but you don't handle inventory or shipping. You don't have to worry about customer service or returns either. You're simply connecting people with products they'll love, and you get rewarded for it. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The best part? You don't even need your own website to get started. You can leverage social media platforms to reach a wide audience. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest are great for promoting products. These platforms have millions of users who are potential customers. Imagine sharing a picture of your favorite coffee maker on Instagram and then including your unique affiliate link in your bio. It's that simple. Someone buys that coffee maker through your link, boom, you earn a commission. It's a straightforward way to monetize your social media presence. Let's break down how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2024. 1. Choose your niche. This is crucial. Your niche should be something you're passionate about. Pick a category you're genuinely interested in, like tech gadgets, beauty, fitness, or even digital products. Your enthusiasm will make your content more engaging. Your passion will shine through in your recommendations and people are more likely to trust your opinion. 2. Join affiliate programs. These programs are the backbone of your affiliate marketing efforts. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale are beginner-friendly and offer a wide range of products. They make it easy to find products that fit your niche. These platforms provide you with your unique affiliate links, track sales, and handle the commission payouts. This automation allows you to focus on creating content. 3. Promote your affiliate links. This is where your creativity comes into play. Create content that adds value. Think about what your audience needs and how you can help them. If you're into fitness, you could create content about your favorite equipment, share a personal routine, and naturally mention the products you use. This makes your recommendations more authentic. Don't just spam links everywhere, make sure your recommendations are genuine and fit within your content. Authenticity is key to building trust with your audience. And here's a pro tip. Try to focus on evergreen content, meaning topics that are relevant year-round. This ensures that your content remains useful and continues to attract traffic. This way, your content keeps generating clicks and you keep earning. It's a sustainable way to build passive income. For example, a blog post about the top 10 fitness trackers will likely stay relevant for a longer time than a post about a specific summer sale. This long-term relevance is what makes evergreen content so powerful. Number 2 on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. The stock market can appear complex and overwhelming at first glance, but dividend stocks are one of the easiest and most passive ways to start generating income from your investments. They offer a steady stream of income without requiring constant attention. Here's why. When you own a dividend stock, you receive a portion of the company's profits just for holding onto that stock. It's a way to share in the company's success. It's like getting paid to own a piece of your favorite companies. Imagine earning money while you sleep simply by being a shareholder. 1. Start with dividend-paying stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying dividends. Consistency is key here. Think established companies with a track record of profitability. These companies are often more stable and reliable. Some beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance make it easy to buy small amounts of stock, even if you don't have a lot to invest up front. These platforms are user-friendly and accessible. 2. Research dividend yields. The yield is the amount of money you'll earn annually relative to the stock's price. It's a crucial metric to understand. It's essentially your return on investment from dividends alone. A higher yield can mean more income, but it's important to balance yield with stability. While it can be tempting to go for the highest yield, a solid growth company with moderate dividends can sometimes be a better choice in the long term. Stability and growth potential are important factors. Remember, it's not just about the dividend, it's also about the potential for the stock price to increase over time. This dual benefit can significantly enhance your returns. 3. Reinvest dividends. A lot of investors, especially those starting out, choose to reinvest their dividends. This strategy can accelerate your portfolio growth. This means that instead of taking the cash payout, you automatically use those dividends to buy more shares of the same stock. It's a powerful way to compound your returns. This way, your investment grows exponentially, and the amount you earn in dividends increases over time thanks to the power of compounding. Compounding can turn small investments into substantial wealth over the years. Dividend stocks might not make you rich overnight, but with consistency and a long-term perspective, you'll be surprised at how much passive income you can generate. Patience and persistence are key. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow year after year. With time, your investments can flourish and provide a steady income stream. Chapter 3. Rental Income. Turn your space into a moneymaker. Next up, we have rental income, and no, you don't need to buy a property to get started. You can begin with what you already have. Short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb can be a beginner-friendly way to dip your toes into the world of real estate and earn passive income. It's a great way to utilize unused space. For example, if you have an extra room, a guest house, or even just a couch you're willing to rent out, you can list it and start earning. First, list your space. It's easier than you might think. The first step is to create an attractive listing on a platform like Airbnb. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Use high-quality photos that showcase your space in the best light possible. Good photos can significantly increase your chances of getting bookings. Write a catchy description that highlights the unique features and amenities you offer. Be honest, but also make it appealing. Think about what would appeal to potential guests. Next, set competitive pricing. This is crucial for attracting bookings. Take a look at similar listings in your area to get an idea of what the market rate is for your type of space. This will help you price your rental competitively. You want to be competitive, but also make sure you're pricing your rental appropriately for its location, size, and amenities. Balance is key. Then, provide a great experience. This is what will set you apart from other listings. A small investment in comfortable bedding, nice decor, and thoughtful touches can go a long way in getting positive reviews from your guests. These details matter. Positive reviews can boost your listing and search results, making it more likely that potential guests will choose your space over others. Reviews are your best marketing tool. You can also consider rental arbitrage, which is another interesting strategy. This is where you lease a property and sublease it on short-term rental platforms. Just make sure it's allowed by your lease and local laws. Always check the regulations. This can be a way to scale your rental income without having to purchase a property outright. It's a smart way to grow your income streams. Chapter 4. Create digital products. Share your knowledge and earn passive income. Our fourth idea is creating digital products. If you're knowledgeable about something, whether it's graphic design, photography, playing a musical instrument, or even how to bake the perfect cake, you can package that knowledge into a digital product and sell it online. This could be an ebook, a video course, a template, a printable, or even a combination of different formats. First, choose a topic you're good at. Start by picking a topic you know well or are passionate about. What are you good at? What do people often ask you for help with? These are good indicators of potential digital product ideas. Next, select a format. Decide whether you want to create an ebook, an online course, a template, or another type of digital product. Consider your target audience and what format would be most valuable and accessible to them. Then, market your product. Once your digital product is ready, it's time to get the word out. Share it with your audience on social media, and even consider running ads. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy are perfect for beginners to sell their digital products. Creating digital products does take some upfront work, but once it's done, it's a true source of passive income. Every sale happens automatically, and you can earn money for months or even years to come from a single product. Chapter 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Make your money work for you. The fifth passive income idea for beginners is peer-to-peer lending, often called P2P lending. With P2P lending, you're essentially acting as a lender. providing loans to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's like cutting out the middleman, the bank, and connecting directly with borrowers. Sites like Lending Club or Prosper let you start with small investments, making it a great option for beginners who want to diversify their income streams. First, choose a P2P lending platform. Each platform has its unique terms and requirements, so do your research and choose one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, diversify your loans. It's often wise to spread out your investments over several loans to reduce risk. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you don't want to put all your P2P lending capital into a single loan. Then reinvest your earnings. As you start earning interest from your P2P loans, consider reinvesting those funds back into new loans. This can help your passive income grow more quickly over time. P2P lending is a way to make your money work for you, but remember that it does carry risks, just like any investment. That's why I recommend diversifying your investments and not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners in 2024. Remember, passive income does require some work up front, but with the right strategy and consistent effort, you can build streams of income that earn while you sleep. It's about planting the seeds today for a more financially secure and free tomorrow. Which one of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on building financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.